All Etihad aircraft are cleaned on arrival at every destination. Once the aircraft is made available for cleaning, we clean all areas within the cabin, which includes sidewall panels, seating area, lavatories, galleys, crew rest, flight deck. The product we use is both a cleaner and disinfectant. It's approved by the Department of Health and is 99.99% effective on all bacteria, germs and viruses. This includes COVID-19. The Bacoban product is effective for up to 10 days. Once the aircraft has been cleaned both in the cabin and in the cargo holds, the coaches that are transferred, the passengers that were on board, will be taken to an area where they are disinfected by my staff. Cabin air quality within the cabin is maintained through the HEPA filtration system. The HEPA filters work 99.97% effectiveness. On average, the air within the cabin is replaced every 3 minutes by fresh air from outside.